Hello guys, this is the continuation series of Pixlr. Pixlr is the free popular alternative of Photoshop. By using this tool we can create banner, image, logo and flyer and other things. So without wasting any further time, let's start learning Pixlr. So now let's go to the next module. Let's search for any other image. So here are some of the images of man. So I'm not making it in any commercial kind of thing. So now you just copy the URL and inside this open image in an URL, then paste this. As you can see, the image is loading and now the image has been imported to our Pixlr. Very simple. Okay, now what I will do, my task is see the background. This is the portrait image. There is some background, the visual nature city available inside the background. So man is sitting on a boundary and onto the back side a city image, nature image has been placed. So I want to replace the whole background and will replace one another background. So I will make so at that time if I will change the background, the man will sit onto that another area. It will look like this. So for this, what tool I will use? I will use the lasso tool. As I have explained on the last session, I will remove the body. So now I will do the background. I will do the opposite thing because I want to change the background. So I will do the brick area will be the background of a brick will be there. There is no change, but only the background, the nature, the city portion I will change. So let's choose the lasso tool. See, I am dragging it over here. You can see that the selection has been done. So in the lasso tool there are two options. One is freehand tool. So this is the freehand. Whatever I am going to do, this is the selection of using freehand tool. Okay, so this is the selection. And now edit, deselect all. Now polygonal means the square portion. Okay, the polygon tool means the square. I am just clicking it, selecting the, just click and go, click and go. This is not a freehand tool, you need to click and go. Okay, so again edit, deselect. So okay, let's make it finalize, close this circuit. Now what I am going to do, again select the lasso tool, then polygonal tool. Let's select the portion, start from here, select the portion to this end. You want to make the background image change, select that portion only. Okay, here you can see that when I scroll, when I zoom in, zoom out, at the time of selection, the selection value goes wrong. So let me close the circuit. Yeah, I have closed the circuit. You can see now if you press delete button, you can see that the background has been removed. Now again lasso, polygonal tool. Let's go to selection of the full body. Choose the inner portion so that there will be no white space at the end of the body. Choose like this. Okay, almost done of one side. Be careful about your selection. Be careful here. Okay, now the head portion, be careful about that. Now let's close the circuit first. Okay, I have chosen half of the background. Let's close the circuit from here. Let's choose the in hand tool and close the circuit. Okay, now you can see that the circuit has been selected, the circuit has been closed. Now if you press delete button, you can see that the background has been deleted. Okay, I have used half of the background used by using lasso tool. But I have another option that we have studied using wand tool or magic wand tool. Using wand tool or magic wand tool, you can select the person and you can delete the area. Okay, as the background is not uniform, so the selection is not so clear. Okay, if there will be only one background, then at one click lasso tool, the magic wand tool will capture all the background and remove that. Now the third option we have studied. The third option is our first let's deselect all. Then the third portion is our eraser that we have studied. So you can use the lasso tool. You have to close the circuit and you have to remove the background. If you want to remove the background, just press, after selection, press delete button, the background will be removed. That is the point 1. The point 2 is our magic wand tool, where you can do the same in magic wand tool. And the third option is our eraser tool. You can erase the unnecessary portion, unnecessary background. Till now I have used the remove the left portion using our lasso polygonal tool and close the circuit using freehand tool. Right side somehow we have removed using wand tool, and the third option I was telling about is eraser. So whatever you want to erase from this, you can erase it. So you can erase like this. You can erase the same thing. 3 concepts are there. The task is same, but 3 concepts are there. I have explained you 3 concepts where you can remove the background. Okay, and after the removing of background, you can erase the background, and after the erase of the background, you can change the background as per your requirement. Now let's go to the wand tool and remove the unnecessary portion. As you can see, I have selected the area. Now there is a selection present here. If you want to deselect the selection, just go to edit and deselect all. The selection will be gone away. Okay, so again let's remove unnecessary portion, unnecessary noise from this by using our appropriate brush size, and you need to erase all this. You have to make it fine erase, so that the image will look more professional. Now you can see somehow the background unnecessary portion are also removed. So left side you can see that if I zoom over there is no noise, but in right side if you zoom, you can see there are unnecessary portion or unnecessary noise are there. So this is the concept, this is the benefit of using lasso tool, so that it will look more professional. On the right hand side I have used the eraser, that's why this is not professional. So again, to make it professional, to make it fine print, just select the inner portion using lasso tool, close the circuit and remove the things again like this. You can see that I am removing the background. I am closing the circuit over here. Now use freehand tool to close the circuit. Yes, I have completed it, and now the area selection has been done. Got it? Now delete. Now you can see that the professional background remove has been done, right? Remember that the man was sitting in a scenery where there is a background city available, but I have removed the background city over here. So this is the previous image, and you can see that there is a background available, but this is the image, there is no background as we have removed the background. Okay.